blow, about to blow, about to blow, about to blow. It hits me like an earthquake.